Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul. This is going to be the start to the crazy Christmas lady at Dollar Tree series because I love Christmas. If you don't know, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. I love Christmas, everything about it. It just is such a happy time, such a beautiful time of year. I did get some Christmas stuff. My stores were barely starting to put out their Christmas decorations, so I wasn't able to find like the signs or anything like that. It's mainly like floral and some ornaments and stuff. So anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into the Dollar Tree haul. So this year I'm actually changing my entire Christmas theme up. I'm doing a red and white theme all throughout my house, and silver. I do have silver, white, and red, and pops of green here and there, but I do have a lot of the white and the red. Those are like my two main colors. So I thought these were gorgeous, you guys. So I got the poinsettias. These are so pretty. They're like a vibrant red. Just gorgeous, you guys. And they almost have like a velvet feel to them. So they look really good for them being fake. So I got 2 bunches of those, and then check these out. These are absolutely stunning. They do have glitter on them, and they're also poinsettias. They had different versions, but this one was my favorite. I just thought it looked pretty realistic, even though it had the glitter on it. So I also did buy 2 bunches of that. So I have 2 red and 2 white. And I'm going to make a really nice floral arrangement. I usually like to put it like on our kitchen table. I did find this little snowman, and Leilani picked him out. We just thought he was darling. We did get 2 of him. He's a little snowman with his little candy cane scarf and the little wooden hands, his little nose, and the little buttons. I mean, he's just so darling to pass up. So I did get 2 of those. They're calling them ornaments. I just thought he was so cute, and I mean, Leilani loves Christmas, and I think it's because she knows that we're about to decorate the house and the Christmas tree, and like we literally go all out. And we did decorate for Halloween, but I obviously don't have as much decor for Halloween or fall as I do Christmas. I am definitely the crazy Christmas lady when it comes to Christmas, and I love it. I'm also really excited to share these with you guys. They were also in the ornament section, and they're called Ornaments. So I found these gorgeous little birds, and they are sparkly. So this is the red one, and you know, he's got his fancy feathers. So I got the red one, and then I also got the silver with the white feathers. I just thought those were so pretty, you guys. If you see these, pick them up for $1. You can clip them on, you can use them on wreaths, you can stick them on your Christmas tree, you can literally stick them onto anything because they have that little clip, or you can use them on their own. So I did get about 4 of those in total because I just thought those were so pretty. So I got 2 of the red and 2 in the silver with the white feathers. They are so pretty, and those are going to be great on my Christmas tree. I mainly got them for ornaments, but you can use them, like I said, for wreaths or other things. You can get crafty. I actually want to do a Christmas wreath or 2 this year, just because I haven't really done a lot of crafty stuff lately. I want to get back into, you know, the crafty stuff I used to do before baby comes around, and then I won't have time to do anything again. But I definitely want to do more crafts and stuff. Okay, you guys, let me show you these. I think these are gorgeous. They're calling them branches, and they're silver. They also had these in gold, and they're so cute. I think with all the floral, I just think with all the, this would make such a cute little arrangement. Obviously you know, mixing the white and the red a little more, but like how stinking cute is that? That is just darling and so pretty, and it just looks kind of glamorous and just so festive. I love it. So I just thought that went well together. And then I did find these willow branches, which they just have like snow on them. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put these, maybe in my kitchen, but I liked them and I thought I would pick up 2 little sets of those. I did get some gummy bears, some other stuff that I picked out. My Dollar Tree has a whole craft section, like a new crafter square section at Dollar Tree, and I'm like loving it. So I did get these little mini scissors. They're detailing scissors. I mainly got them for like my beauty routine. Like I use scissors to kind of trim my eyebrows and make them look decent, so I just thought they're nice and small and perfect, so I didn't get one little set of those. And then I did want to try these jot markers. You get 4 pieces. You get a pink, a purple, a blue, and a green, and it does have 2 different like style brushes, and I'm just so curious to know how well these are gonna work. So let me test it for you, and then, so this is what the little brush looks like. Not bad. Let me try the other side, but that's what that looks like. This one's a little bit smaller. It might work for like adult coloring books. I mean, so far so good. I don't know if you can see that, but they look pretty promising. So check them out, you guys. They do have 2 different like sizes for their like brushes. So it's got a fine size and it's got a brush size. So 4 for $1, I mean, you can't beat that, and you do get 2 different types of sizes of brushes, so that's nice. I did find another pack of the poly envelopes in pink, so I mean, I'll try to grab them whenever I see them, but I only found 1 pack. I'm going to be doing a DIY with these candles. I'll have to show you guys. I did get 2 of them. They are just the plain white candles, but I am going to do a DIY, and I'll be sure to share it with you guys in a different Dollar Tree haul so you can see how it turned out. I'm a little tired, you guys. I'm tired. I also found this family size Cheerios, and it is the peach flavor, and I love peaches, you guys. Anybody else love peaches? So when I saw this, I knew I had to have it, and we like to snack on these. I'll even put some in like a little Ziploc bag for Leilani to just munch on. So we do love Cheerios in this house. I also picked up these little tubs here. I'm planning to organize, we use Nesquik, like the powder chocolate milk, powder strawberry milk for Leilani. So I thought I could stick them in here, and I need to find scoops because how we're doing it right now isn't working out for us. We'd literally leave a mess, and it's just not very effective. So I'm trying to find a solution for that. So I did get these. We do have a really big big tub of Nesquik, so I didn't know if it was going to fit in this size or if I needed a bigger one, but they do have different options, and I thought I could put other things in the other ones. These would also be good for like your laundry area, like if you use powdered stuff like that. I think these would be great in a laundry room, a pantry, I mean, you name it, even for cereal and stuff. I think those are super handy. Okay, let me show you more Christmas stuff. More Christmas stuff. Okay, so I did find these gorgeous little ornaments, and let me take it out of this little baggie for you. So it just says ornament, and it's a sparkly silver ornament with little beads. They also had it in red, but it had gold, like a gold top to it, and it just isn't gonna match because I don't have gold anything for what I'm trying to do. So I just picked up 2 in the silver. If I want more, I mean, I can always go back and get some more. I needed this wreath hanger. I have so many, but I never know where I leave them. I need to get better about where I store my stuff because I need this to hang a witch thing on my door. So yeah, I got it for Halloween, and it's like a gold. It's not really a gold, but it's like a, I don't know, I just thought it would go for either Christmas or Halloween, fall and whatnot. So I just got that. I got some pens. These are some fun pens. Oops. So I picked up the Santa Claus. I got 2 of those so I can give one to my mom. And then they're fuzzy and they're pom-poms. They're so cute. They also had like a little reindeer with some googly eyes, but I liked the Santa ones better. So I did get those. And then they had this one with the adorable little ears that are sparkly and glittery. And then I got this one here that looks like a little bunny. I mean, that is just so cute to stick in a stocking. If your daughter loves planner stuff or stationery stuff, you can find this stuff at Dollar Tree, and they have so many right now, you guys. These are from Dollar Tree too. Found them a while ago, but they still have them. They are little stars. So I just got the pink and the purple, but they have a bunch, you guys. Christmas time is the perfect time to give this sort of stuff away, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. I did pick up a ton of ribbon. So I got 2 of the candy cane pattern, and then this one has a little truck with a little Christmas tree, and this one has a bunch of little Christmas presents. So I did pick up those, and then I got one that says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." And since I'm going for the white and the red, I just went with those options, but they had a bunch of different ribbon. You guys, go ahead and check out my Instagram at SparkleOnForever. I take a ton of pictures on there, so make sure you're swiping so that you can see all the stuff that is at Dollar Tree that I don't always pick up. I also did pick up this Merry Christmas 5-piece set of ornaments, and they are sparkly, so I thought that would go really well with everything else that I'm trying to do. I also found some pom-poms. These would also be good to use as little ornaments. They had the white, the red, and they just say pom-pom clip. But these are also really good to attach to Christmas gifts and stuff. So you can always attach that to a little gift bag and make it super, you know, cute and personalized. I found a cozy flannel Old Williamsburg candle, and this stuff smells so good. It's kind of like a Christmas tree, but like cinnamon at the same time. It smells wonderful, you guys. So I picked up one of those. I did want to buy a bunch, but I don't know how good it's gonna work. I like to use them in my bathrooms, those little candles. I also found some Secret deodorant, so I was really excited about that. Secret deodorant is not $1 at Walmart. I usually pay like $6 for my deodorant, which is ridiculous. I also found this set right here that says Peace, Joy, Believe, and it's like a metal letters, and you can attach this to DIY projects, wreaths, and all, so I figured I would grab 1 pack. And then I needed a little scrub brush for my sink, so I got this blue one for the sink so that it's nice and clean. And that is it. That is everything I picked up from Dollar Tree. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you saw something that you liked. Don't forget to give this video a like if you love Dollar Tree as much as I do. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any future Dollar Tree hauls or crazy Christmas lady hauls, because I love Christmas and I'm sure there's more to come and I'm sure there's more to show you. So I want to make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any future videos. Also check out my Instagram over at SparkleOnForever so you can see all the other stuff that I'm finding that I don't always necessarily pick up, but I want to share with you. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.